peculiar bird. He flies round in circles and looks quite absurd. He hooks onto trees by a curve in his beak and hangs in mid-air for over a week. The Wibble never builds a nest. For true power of flight, this bird's not possessed. So when this fellow needs to feed, he hooks up a worm or sucks on a weed. He has long feathers of yellow and green, and wispy white stripes that flow in between. His eyes pop out as if on a spring. When he opens his beak, he's unable to sing. Then every so often he takes to the air. So watch out below, keep your head down, beware. As he does not know his left from his right, there's nothing much worse than this feathered sight, flying towards you out of control. So climb up a tree or jump down a hole. For if you do not or fail to see his bird with a squawk fall from a tree, you are likely to get a large bump on the head, or worse than that, he will knock you quite dead.